Hello everyone, welcome back to our English class. Today we are fixing 4 very common mistakes. Say, tell, hear, and listen. Many students get these wrong, but don't worry, by the end of this video you will use them like a pro. Let's start. First, let's talk about say. We use say when we want to report the exact words someone spoke. It focuses on the text of the speech, not necessarily the listener. The rule: you say something. You generally do not say someone. If you want to mention the person, you must use to say to someone. Use it for quoting someone directly, reporting speech, or when who you are talking to is not important. Let's read the following examples. 1. She says hello to everyone. 2. He always says the truth. 3. What did you say? I didn't hear you. 4. My teacher says that practice is important. 5. Please say your name clearly. 6. I want to say something important. 7. The sign says no parking. 8. She said something funny. 9. I want to say thank you. 10. He said he was tired. Now tell. We use tell when we give information, instructions, or orders to someone. It focuses on the communication of a message from one person to another. The rule: you almost always need a person may, you, him, her, us, them immediately after tell. Use it for giving information, giving instructions, or giving orders. Let's look at these examples. 1. Tell me your name, please. 2. She told him the news yesterday. 3. My mum tells me to study every day. 4. Can you tell us a story? 5. Can you tell us the way to the station? 6. The doctor told me to rest. 7. I will tell you the answer later. 8. They told everyone about the party. 9. Don't tell anyone my secret. 10. She always tells the truth. Next is the word hear. Hear means to receive sound with your ears automatically. It happens without effort or intention. You don't choose to hear, it just happens. The rule: use hear for sounds that come to you unexpectedly or naturally. It is not an action you plan. Let's read the examples. 1. I can hear birds singing outside. 2. Did you hear that noise? 3. She heard someone calling her name. 4. He is old and cannot hear well. 5. Can you hear me now? 6. I can't hear anything, it's too quiet. 7. I heard the door close. 8. We heard thunder during the storm. 9. She heard footsteps behind her. 10. I can't hear you. Speak louder. Finally, we have the verb listen. To listen is to pay attention to sound. It is active. You make a conscious effort to hear something. The rule: you must focus your mind. we almost always use the preposition to after listen. Listen to something. Use it for music, speeches, lectures, or when paying respect to someone talking. Let's look at these examples. 1. Listen to your teacher carefully. 2. I love listening to music. 3. Please listen to what I'm saying. 4. She listens to the radio every morning. 5. He's listening to a podcast. 6. Listen to this song. It's beautiful. 7. The students are listening to the lecture. 8. I need to listen more carefully. 9. They listened to his advice. 10. Are you listening to me? To summarize, say something, tell someone. Hear the sound. Listen to the music. Great job today. Write one sentence using tell in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy English lessons.